Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign in to Google Meet account using the Google Meet application on your smartphone. Google Meet is a free video conferencing tool by Google. It lets you host or join virtual meetings, webinars, online classes, or team collaborations. First of all, open your Google Meet application on your smartphone. If you've not downloaded the app yet, make sure you do that and launch it open. Now you can go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Type down your email or phone number in the text box that appears on the page. Once you are done, click on Next. On the next page, select the sign-in method. You can use your passkey, enter your password, or try any other way that is available. I'm just going to use the password option to log in. Now enter your password for your Google account in the text box and tap Next. And then make sure to allow necessary access such as camera, microphone, contacts, etc. Once signed in, you can go ahead and start a new meeting, join with a code, or schedule in Google Calendar. So that's how you have successfully logged into your Google Meet account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.